Welcome back to another entrepreneur vlog. This time around, I'm going to be packaging my orders for my beautiful customers and sharing with you guys how I take my time and package every order with love and intention. I hope to share some inspiration and spread some positivity throughout this vlog. I have just recently rebranded my business, Rose Beauty Cosmetics, and I'm sharing with you guys my journey into developing a more self-aware and more spiritual brand. Every single order that I've received is taken into consideration how you will feel and the energy that you will get once you open the package. So I'm taking you guys through the process of me planning, packaging, and shipping off every order that I've received. There's a really heavy solar plexus vibration that carries on throughout the entirety of this video. So throughout this video, I want you guys to think about your solar plexus chakra, which is your body's energy center for confidence, positivity, motivation, and drive. In other words, it's the chakra that you associate with like self-esteem, your image, your worth, things how you think of yourself and the way that you believe in yourself or in your ability to succeed. Here are a couple solar plexus chakra affirmations that I want you to focus on while you're watching this video with me. And that way, when you come out of watching this video, hopefully you'll go out into your workday feeling more motivated. You'll feel more confident about the steps that you're taking in your business, or you'll just feel like a new sense of inspiration for your entrepreneur journey. So let's get started. I am motivated, persistent, and successful. I am aligned with my purpose. I am equipped with all the tools I need to succeed. I have the courage and confidence to accept my dreams as reality. Listen, you guys, I just want you to know that the power of manifestation is real. The power of speaking positively to yourself and counteracting those negative thoughts that you have is real. So with saying these affirmations, I'm hoping that it will enable you to be able to strengthen your self-worth by boosting your positive opinion of yourself and helping you feel more confident in your ability to achieve your goals. I know for me, I like to watch other entrepreneurs, package their orders, get successful in their business, learn new things about scaling their business, and just honestly being active and consistent in their journey. So I'm hoping to be that person for you guys. If you're watching this video right now and maybe you haven't gotten an order today, hopefully you'll come out of this video after having said your affirmations feeling more confident to go into the next work day. Instead of saying, I haven't gotten an order, now you'll say, I have the tools that I need to be successful. I know everything that I need to do in order to receive an order today. So basically, I'm just here to help you out, shift your focus and change the way that you think about your entrepreneur journey and your business goals, so that you're not only doubting yourself, you're actually speaking positivity into your business. This is something that worked for me when I very first got started, and somewhere along the way I got a little bit discouraged, but that's natural. I'm back and I'm better, and I'm just trying to share all the things that I've learned in this journey with you guys, just somebody that you can relate to on a deeper level. So like I said before, this is a video about encouraging you to feel better about your business and hoping to gather some inspiration for your journey. Now I'm about to go ahead and get y'all playlist going, so I'm not going to chat with y'all the whole time, but thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you showed me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realized I was living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed. nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Da 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 da. Ooh, I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket 'cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that scar I love to touch. I know you love to relax at the small of my back, swim through my fingers, get lost in my mind. I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket 'cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation. Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman, I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. from the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself, plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman, I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh, cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. Woke up wanting you beside me. I don't know what else to say. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave. Maybe I'll grab a cup of coffee and listen to our favorite song. I'm such an idiot, I'm pathetic. Thought I was moving on. I don't want anybody, I want you. I miss your olive skin, I miss my muse. So if you wanna find me, make a move. I'll send a telepathic message with my coordinates to you. Right where you left me, impatiently waiting. The rest of my day went to shit. Wrote a song, but no one's listening to it. It's only times like these when I want you back in my